Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to connect TradingView to MT5 on your phone. While a direct link isn't natively supported, you can use third-party bridge services to achieve this. These services act as an intermediary, translating your TradingView alerts into executable trades on your MetaTrader 5 account. We'll cover the general steps to get this setup working smoothly and efficiently for you, making your trading experience more integrated. It's important to understand why a direct connection isn't straightforward. TradingView and MetaTrader 5 are built by different companies and use unique systems for data and order execution. This means they don't talk to each other directly. To bridge this gap, you need an external service that can interpret signals from one platform and send corresponding commands to the other, enabling automated trading. The easy method involves using a dedicated bridge service. These services typically run on a virtual private server or your computer, acting as a middleman. You'll set up alerts within TradingView, which then send notifications to the bridge. The bridge, in turn, processes these alerts and places trades directly into your MetaTrader 5 account, automating your strategy based on your TradingView analysis. To finalize your setup, you'll need to link your MetaTrader 5 account to the bridge service using your login details. It's crucial that your MetaTrader 5 platform, whether on your phone or a server, remains active and connected to your broker for trades to execute. Before risking any capital, always perform extensive testing on a demo account to confirm everything works as expected. This ensures your automated strategy functions reliably.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.